Many students have gone ahead and taken nutrition to the next level. And that would mean taking and doing their own research or their own internship or experience in their own communities. I've had several students who have gone into Arlington, Virginia, where I have done some work before, and start to look at the competitive food environment, start to work with parent groups to be able to work with PTAs within the school system to set nutrition education policies. And this type of experiential learning, this type of research that students have gone on to do, many have been able to then sell that knowledge for their job for their next career. And that's what's really exciting about the work that we do here. It makes an impact in people's lives, but it also makes an impact on the student's life because they can talk firsthand to a future employer about the type of approach they're going to use to providing sound nutrition education to individuals, into communities, as well as to society.